this video, we will share to you about WebView on Android Studio that support downloading files. In here, you can see the main activity.java code. This WebView is very useful if you want to use this for your website. You can change the URL that will load for this application. This is for Android manifest.xml code. You can get the source code. We put link into description. You can just download, and if you need, you can modify this. This is very helpful if you have personal website that you want to convert into APK files. Let's try to using this feature of application. This is for example. Let's try to download some files. We will try to download Windows Update Bulker software. This is from Mediafire. And after click download, it's appear confirmation like this. We can just click yes. Now, if you can see, the download is successful. You can extract this or open it will on the download folders. You can see here. I download this 2 times. You can extract or copy or anything you want in here. Okay. Hope this video helpful for you. If you want to get the source code, just go to description. Give like if you like. If you don't like, just click don't like. Thanks for watching.